Welcome to my YouTube, guys. It's your girl Donna and I'm back with another video. So today, actually, a few people asked me, Donna, how did you get 12,000 subscribers? Guys, if I tell you how I get 12,000 subscribers, you would never believe me. Okay, so back in when it was, I think it's 2019, I create my YouTube channel. I started it saying that I wanted to do cooking because I love to cook. So I started to post a little of my food here and there. Well, I delete a lot of them because for various reasons why I delete some of them. I think they look old-fashioned and they're not presented how I would want them to be, like now upgraded models, you know, the way how food look now. So I was just doing little stuff in my kitchen and I start to post what I am doing in my kitchen. So after a while the channel wasn't growing, so I decided to start to upload other people's videos. So it's like I used to upload like cartoon things that were trending, and a lot of them still wasn't getting any views. So I get 1,000 subscribers in the first year. I meet that 1,000 subscribers, and what I did was I signed up in groups and I would share my links in groups. So I was able to get the 4,000 watch hours within the year, because you know, for you to earn on YouTube you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I heard that new things are coming into place now where you don't have to work so hard to start earning. I don't know if it started yet, but that's what I heard. But I'm basically trying to explain to you guys how I get my 4,000 watch hours and get 12,000 subscribers. When I was, you know, reposting other people's video, I get some what do you call that, what YouTube, like they flag them saying that it's copyright. I get a lot of that when I just started because I didn't understand much about YouTube. So I just keep posting and posting, like read people content. I wasn't reading YouTube policy and get to understand YouTube the way I should. So I was keep reposting because I just wanted to see what is it about YouTube that everybody is crazy about. So that was in 2019, 2020. So I just keep posting, reposting people content. And some of them was okay, but some of them I get the red mark on it, that YouTube flag it. And then I didn't know that I could put it on private before I put it on public. So it was just constantly going into public, and I would get email from YouTube giving me warning and stuff like that. So, you know, I would pick up one and few subscribers from those videos that I was posting. I was getting one and few 2 subscribers for those videos. And sometimes I post, I don't check my emails, and so I don't get to see it until days after that YouTube flagged the video, and I didn't realize it because I wasn't paying attention. I didn't even know what I was doing. I did just create my YouTube channel and just start uploading what I was doing with my food. You know, I don't post it all the time, but whenever I see I can able to post it, then I just post whatever I could. But I would just upload like a video that I like for somebody, and I was just getting copyright after copyright. So I went on YouTube one day, like in 2020, and I saw the Jerusalem song. You know, Jerusalem, that African song there. And I saw these kids, the African kids were dancing, and I screen record that and I screen record it, and I kind of change it up a little bit and put it the way I want it to be, and write the 10 best kids dance, Jerusalem kids dance, something like that was in the title, 10 best Jerusalem kid dance. And let me tell you something, I post that video on my YouTube channel, and that's where I get the 12, not 12, but Scarlett said that maybe about 9,000, about almost 10,000 subscribers from that song alone. It will just keep trending and trending and trending and trending, trending and trending. That video, I think it was almost 2 million views. I didn't have to take it down because YouTube flagged my channel totally, and I have to, every time I try to, after 30 days you could reapply, and I didn't know why. I saw it in the email said after 30 days, and I went and I deleted a lot of things off of my page, even that was not necessary. There even was some like some things when it happened in Jamaica, it was trending, you know, like when the gas station and the gentleman that got burned at the gas station in Jamaica. I did post that, and I get some subscribers from that as well. And I reposted it on my channel because everybody was reposting it. It's like you're sharing it from Facebook, but it's just that you screen record it and you upload it on your YouTube, and that is how I get those subscribers. But to be honest, it was the Jerusalem song that gave me almost 10,000 subscribers. That was how I get the subscribers, and YouTube flagged my channel, and every time I try to apply for the monetization, it's like it wasn't going through. I'd have to delete a lot of my videos, not my personal videos, but a lot of the reposts that I posted that I did have, like the cartoon videos and stuff like that, because the cartoon video was doing good. There was one of the cartoon videos that I know I get maybe like about 500 subscribers from, because the kids them were watching it, or you know, the cartoon, I forgot the name of the cartoon, the Old House, the Whole House cartoon. I would get stuff from Google, pin them together, what do you call that, screen record some things from YouTube, put it together and make a video with it, and those never get flagged. I think one of them, because it was straight screen record, so YouTube did flag that one. It did go to like 20 something thousand views, and then YouTube flagged that one because it was straight screen record. I didn't put any work into it, so I took it down. But the Jerusalem song, that was the one that gave me almost 10,000 subscribers. So I know those subscribers are from Africa, because, well, it's not really from Africa, because a lot of people really liked the video, but it was so good. I love that. I love those videos. I think I still have the video in my phone right now, because I didn't want to throw it away, because I was saying to myself I could go back and watch it myself, because it's really nice. I really like to see the kids them watch it. But I look for them on Instagram and Facebook, and I follow them, and I also watch their videos on Instagram and on Facebook. So I do watch their videos on Instagram and Facebook. But that was the it for my channel. So afterwards, I still start posting little bit of videos on my channel, and it wasn't growing. It was just, you know, I kind of calmed down when I realized 3-4 months and I wasn't getting back monetization. I wasn't getting it back, so I just leave it. I said, you know, just give it some time and then I will reapply. So I think I did reapply maybe about 4 months later. Then they approved it after I erased the song. In the first half, I said I wasn't going to erase it. I'm just going to leave it there, because I see that my channel was growing like wildfire. So let it grow. But I don't think that was a good idea, because a lot of these people they're not going back on my channel and watch my video. They were just there for the songs. It's just like if I have something trending on my Facebook, people will follow my Facebook. The other day I post something on my Facebook and it blew up to like 50 something thousand likes on Facebook, and then I get so much, like 2,000 subscribers for that one post that I made. So after that, it's like they are not the people that really coming back to view my page, but they were there to support my page in that moment. So it's just like the same thing with YouTube. If you find something that is trending, those people are not going to be coming back consistently. Like you just have like your valid people that will come back, but some of these people are just there because they give you the support because your video or your post is trending, so they follow your page, which is good. It helped to grow your page at the moment, but they wish they would come back and keep coming back. So now I have 12,000 subscribers and I'm still having 100 views or 80 something views, and I have 12,000 subscribers. So it's like they are fake people, but they're not. They were there because it was trending, and that's how I get my 12,000 subscribers. Really, like, you know, I'm not gonna say 12,000, but I would say about 10,000 subscribers. That's how I really get my my first 2,000 based upon what I was posting and sharing in the group and so forth. And after I post that song, I never have to share another to get subscribers. I didn't have to be sharing like that anymore. My page was just growing and growing and growing with subscribers. But the watch hours for the other videos weren't there. The subscribers are growing like wildfire, but for them to go back on my videos and watch extra videos that I post, that wasn't happening. So I realized they were just there for that moment. So it's best to grow your video and let people get to know you, know who you are, do authentic, let them know your authentic self and just be who you are. Because when you repost other people's video, not that they don't get to enjoy it, but they don't get to know who you are, who is posting the video. So it is nice when you can able to do your videos, communicate with your community, and let them know who you really are. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And how did I get my 10 to 12,000 subscribers? That's how I get my 12,000 subscribers, and I get it really fast. Within that happened within a year. And now my page are slow because I did kind of stop posting. At that time, I think I should be posting and posting and posting, but I weren't. And that also one of the reasons why my page got slowed down too, because I did have some valuable people on my page that were here consistently, and because I stopped posting, I think they're not there anymore. So now I have to keep posting, and hopefully I gain back my audience and gain more audience. And I hope you enjoy this video and how I get my 12,000 subscribers, guys. Blessings, more blessings, love, prosperity, unity to you all. Big up yourself, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and tell them about my channel. Adios, guys.